the letter Y can be a consonant. It is also used for two vowels. Y1 is a consonant, Y sound, yes, yesterday, yell, yelp. Y2 is an E sound. E makes an E sound, Y2. So that would be marry, Harry. That's me. Harry, marry, Harry. Carry. So anything with a Y on the end, then we say the E sound. Well, that's a consonant, vowel Y, vowel Y. And the other vowel Y is the I sound, I. So any word you see with a Y on it that has the I sound, like my, try, fly, and buy, bicycle, buy. So you may have learnt that there are only five vowels in English language. That's not true. There are actually 6, because Y can have 2 sounds. It can be E or I. So how many sounds of Y are there? The letter Y there are 3 sounds. Y, E, I. Y is Y1, E is Y2, and I is Y3. Y, E, I. So that's the vowel Y. Now, the other vowels you know as A, E, I, O, U. But that's only 1/6, a little bit, 1/6 of the story. Because the vowels, as you would know, have short sounds and long sounds. Short and long. Now, some of the problems that you guys have is because you'll say, hey, I spoke those words, that's the word I know is correct, but that Australian didn't understand me. Oh, he doesn't understand me. Well, that's probably because you spoke the vowel incorrectly. The vowels incorrectly. And usually it's the short vowel, because that's the hardest ones. They are the hardest ones to get right. They are a pest. Very difficult. So we're going to work on them right now. So now, the vowels for the letter A. A. Now, the name of the letter, which is A, is also its long sound. But the short is, and we call the long sound its name or number 2 sound. Number 2 sound. Okay? But the short sound, the little sound, is we call number 1. The first sound of the vowel is the short sound. The second sound is the long sound. That's the style. You got it. So, let's try it now. We'll go for the symbol A, the vowel A. Here it is, coming up there. Can you read that? Vowel A. So we've got A. A. See my mouth? Open. A. Tongue down. A. And its number 2 sound, A. 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 Let's do a word with it. A. Apple. A. Address. That's number 1. Number 2 sound is its name. A. A. Age. Age. Now, so we've got number 1, A. Apple. Number 2, A. Age. Now, the symbol A, that symbol A, it's a pest. There are 5 sounds of A. Now, you've got that in your notes, but we'll go through them now. Ready? The number 1 is A. Number 2, A. Number 3, Ah. Ah. It's the third sound, Ah. And it's ask, spelled A-S-K, but we speak it A-R-S-K. And so the A has number 3 sound, Ah. Ask. number 4 sound, number 4, is or. O-R. Or. Or. All. All of you. All. All of us. All of the aeroplanes. All of the school. All of China. Or. O-R. Or. All. So that's number 4. Number 4 sound. So far we got a, or. See my mouth? Or. And the last one, number 5, woo. Number 5 is oh. Oh. It's the same as the first sound of O. Oh. Okay, so we'd say what words? Oh, was. Oh, was. Oh. The A, the symbol A in was, is an oh sound. And like want and what, those words. Want, what, was, they have that oh sound. And that's number 5 sound. So A, which is the worst of them all, nearly, it has 5 sounds. 5 sounds. A, or, oh. Now, each time my mouth is nearly just round air. A, or, oh. And open air. It's only little movements in here and my mouth that change the sound. My tongue is down. A, or, oh. That's the A sound. The short sound, the long sound, A. Good. That's enough trouble for that. Now the next vowel sound is E, the letter E. E is its second sound. It's the long sound. The short sound is